Hello and welcome to the TenKei ATM YouTube channel. Today's title is called How to Use the TenKei TPT Auto Trading Function Part 3. So the question was asked how, in a sense, directly, indirectly, how to use this auto trading function. So just jump back into this again, that when you are using the TenKei TPT, Total Profit Target, where you have your figures in here, set for a particular time. And in part 2, I just showed you how to set it to start at 14:57. But if we had the normal time of, I say normal time of 7 a.m., which means the auto trading function over here will activate itself or switch on the trading system itself at 7 a.m. What you'll need in order to place trades would be another program, basically, something like this over here. Let's OK this, like an EA over here. Now you may have your own EA, or you may know somebody else who has an EA, or you can buy an EA, rent an EA. But this EA over here, EA means expert advisor, has a time to start in here too. Look, it has, let's just move up a bit here. Trade start time 8 a.m, end time 4:30 p.m. This time can be set to whatever you want. So imagine the EA, the TPT over here, starts at 7 a.m. So it starts the auto trading function, but this EA here will start to look for trades from 8 a.m. But here you can start at whatever time you want. You can start at 10 a.m. and you can end at 11:30 a.m. Or that's your first session. Imagine it's your first session for the morning, second session for the morning or afternoon or so could be 13:30 to let's say 15:30. Okay. Now, what do these times mean? This time here of 13:30 tends to be when news comes out in the UK. It could be big news, high news, whatever news, and that will really move the markets. This time here at 15:30 or 3:30 in the afternoon, that is 1 hour after the US market is opened. The US market opens at 2:30 in the UK, GMT, 9:30 a.m. in New York. But this just times, just showing you how to use this. And here, this last trading time you could use may be into, for instance, the close of the US market. So you can get it to start at, let's say, for instance, what time should we choose? Let's make it 7 p.m. GMT to 8:30 p.m. GMT. So for these times in the UK, where it's, if you're trading the Dow, for instance, where it says here 1900 hours, in the US that will be 2 p.m. This is 7 p.m. in the UK. It'll be 2 p.m. 5 hours behind in the US. Okay. So that's a good time to trade because it's coming into the close, and this 8:30 p.m. here would be, GMT in the UK. That would be 3:30 p.m. in the US, and then thereafter it will be half an hour before the actual market closes. Okay, so that's how to use the times, and this is how to use the auto trading function. If you wanted to place more trades after your trades have been hit, you would just simply switch this back on we repeat the whole process again. What we're going to do is going to show you part 3, or how to use the TenKei TPT auto trading function. No, part 4. Thank you.